Guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So today is Sunday, guys. As you can see, my hair is not done, so I'm trying to make a easy hairstyle for myself so that I can mind you, I'm going to do it with gel. First of all, I will apply this mousse to my hair to make it wet. So guys, let me gist with you people what I saw earlier this September. I saw a post on Aproko Doctor. If you have been following Aproko Doctor, you know he give advice concerning some certain things that cause distress to us, that cause damages to our body. So those are the major things he talked about on his page. He's a man, sorry. Those are the things he talks about in his page on Instagram. He's a doctor. If you need counseling, go to him as well. Contact him. He will counsel you. It just generally is giving awareness on concerning some certain things that we have been doing that is causing damages to our body. So on his page, I saw a post he posted that is a soda-free month. So that free month, like anything that you open and you make if you get what I mean, like a Coca-Cola, all those kind of carbonated drink, if I'm right, yeah, all those kind of drink. So they want to do 1 month free of it. So I just want to interact with you people. Have you guys ever still, because some people they cannot stay like a day without drinking such drinks. You know, some of these juice we bought on the supermarket, you say, oh, they are 100% organic. Nothing is organic there. They also steep with some preservative to keep the life share of this juice, but still they call them 100% organic. So I just want to ask you guys, have you ever stayed like a day or a week without drinking sodas? Because for me, I don't mind. I can stay like a week. Let me say a week. A week I'm sure of without drinking sodas. Yeah. Because what really made me want to stop buying sodas, I took my kids to their pediatrician. So she said I should stop giving them sugary things. I said, oh, I'm not giving them sugary things. The only things I gave them is you know, this a little juice for children. They say even that I should stop giving to them, that water is okay for them because those kind of things spoils their teeth. Not that they have any teeth problem, no, they don't have any teeth problem, but I should stop giving them those kind of drink. I said it's okay. So not that I've totally stopped, oh yeah, I've not totally stopped giving them, but I just limit it. Unlike before that I used to give them one of these children drinks in a day. So but I just limit it. If I buy this week, if it's finished, it's finished. But my little one, my son don't want to listen like at all. After drinking their own, if he sees anyone that I bought for myself inside the fridge, he will just open it and start drinking. If you ask him, why do you drink that? He said, I'm hot. I'm hot. Somebody that is hot, not that they will take water and drink. Is it just that they will take and drink? So the thing got me really thinking. So if this boy cannot stay without a juice, I don't know if I'm making sense. Like, okay, if this boy cannot see juice and rest without finishing it, so what is the extent of me buying it and stock it at home when my son cannot rest when he sees juice? So that is the main reason why I don't buy much of this juice. Like I don't buy more of a Coca-Cola or these sodas. I don't buy more of it. A friend came to my place and said, now wow, your fridge just empty. Yeah, it's empty because I don't like more of it. Not that it doesn't interest me to drink, oh, There are sometimes I crave it, like some kind of food. After eating it, I say, oh, or while eating this food, I need cold drink, cold malt, cold this, cold that. Yeah, I do crave it, but because of my son, he will just want to finish one bottle at the moment. So I don't want to be buying it and stock up the house with sodas. So I said, let me ask you guys, can you go a day without drinking it, or a week, or even months? Because now they are doing 1 month challenge of not drinking sodas like at all. I just let me gist you guys this. If you are not following him on Instagram, please do follow him because he creates more awareness, like I said earlier. So guys, what do you guys think about my hair? This is my go-to hairstyle. Yeah, I like this style like a lot. I've made this style on myself like, I can remember 3 times. Made this head like 3 times. If I see the pictures, I will just insert the pictures of the hair that I made for myself. This time, I mean, I will just insert the pictures. I love it very much. Easy, it's not stressful. If you have anywhere that you are going to and your hair is not done, you can do this one easily, easy peasy, and you are done. You are set for your occasion. Look at it now. Is it not popping? Okay guys, let me leave you guys to enjoy this video without interruption. Bye for now.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high.